Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? My name is Cody McCormick, sales manager here at Lost Pines Toyota. Today we bring you one of our newest customized vehicles, the 2020 Tundra SR5 double cab. Now, here at Lost Pines Toyota, we usually lift our trucks, 4Runners, Tacomas, anything like that, 6-inch lifts, 3-inch lifts, little level kits, nice off-road tires, but we decided to do something a little bit different this time. This particular truck has the SX package on it, which comes from factory, with color-keyed styling, front bumper and rear bumper. Also removes any and all badging around the sides. Now, this is a 5.7 liter V8 as well, so is 381 horsepower and capable of towing up to 10,200 pounds. So what we did different on this truck is we went ahead and lowered it. That's right. We put a 2-3 drop on it. It's actually a 2-4 drop, but we only lowered the rear end here to 3 inches to give it a nice, perfect, level look to it. We also put 24-inch black Rhino wheels on it. I think it's a perfect fitment for these wheel wells with the lowering. And also, we did a nice sliding bed cover here to finish off that sleek look of the truck. Follow me, I want to show you one more cool thing we did on this one. We went ahead and went with a Magnaflow exhaust system. Nice dual-tipped exit right in front of the rear tire instead of the traditional rear exit. I really think that this finishes off the truck well, gives it a nice rumble, nice low tone, but if you get on it, it definitely sounds aggressive. So if this looks like a truck that's for you, if you don't like the lift kind of look, you like something a little more sleek, lowrider-ish, if you will, come down and see us here for your very own special edition Tundra here at Lost Pines Toyota. Thank you so much. See you soon.